Hello, today I'd like to show you how to save gas on your scooter. And in this video, I will show you how. Well, hello, today we are going to talk about the gas consumption on your scooter and how can you save fuel on your scooter. Now, let's already starting from the point that you have a scooter. And your scooter with 1 gallon of fuel, it already goes around town, it's 75 miles for a gallon. So it's already pretty good. You're already saving a lot of fuel. You already have saved lots of money already. Now, if you want to save more fuel, there is lots of things that you can do. Number one is taking care of the service of the scooter. That's something really important, service and maintenance. Now, service and maintenance especially is changing the oil every 1,000 miles, okay? So this one, you can use this one, I use 10W40. This one is about $5 to $10 a quarter right here. So this little bottle is about $10. So it's not really a lot of money, but taking care of maintenance is very important. Now, if you don't put fresh, nice oil every 1,000 miles, your engine will run a little harder, okay? So the more better oil you have in your scooter, the more fluently your engine will run and will use a lot less power and less fuel to run that motor. Now, another really good thing too, that if you have a really good oil, or a nice and fresh one, your engine, your motor will run a lot cooler. So that's something that's really important. Now, this one is for a motor, and you have to take care of the gear oil too. Now, the oil for the motor, you should change it every 1,000 miles. Right here, the gear oil, this one you should change it every 3,000 miles. This one is very important because at the point, if you have a nice oil, nice fuel inside your scooter will not run hard, okay? So will be nice and smooth. Will not make any friction. So if you have some older oil on your scooter, change it as soon as possible, because your scooter is really dragging, you know, is really making some grinding force. That doesn't really need to, because with 10 and about another $8, $18, your scooter will run a lot better. Another little secret to save fuel on your scooter is having a nice clean spark plug. Now, this one is very important because if you're running your scooter and you have a dirty, old spark plug that is not flickering, that is not really giving a nice spark, in the chamber of combustion, that fuel is not going to burst all at the same time, and some of that fuel is just going to go out from the exhaust system. So at that point, it's going to be a waste of fuel going out from your exhaust system. So having a nice spark plug is something really important. Something like that can save you a lot of gas. Now, this one, they cost between $5 to $8 to $10 online, so it's not really a lot of money. So you can save a lot of gas by having a nice spark plug. Now we're talking about service on your scooter. Service is very important. So we talk about the gear oil, the motor oil, the spark plug, and a nice filter, air filter is very important, because if your filter is old and is kind of clogged, at that point it is not going to get more air, but in the same time, on the other way, it's going to get more gas. So you have to take care, very important, of your air filter every 3,000 miles, okay? So change the oil, motor oil every 1,000 miles. Change the gear oil every 3,000 miles. Change the air filter every 3,000 miles. It's very important. Change the spark plug every 3,000 miles. So at that point, your scooter will run nice and fluently, okay? And will use a lot of less fuel. Now at this point, another little trick that you can play is to open your carburetor. And you're gonna look inside your carburetor, especially underneath the carburetor, where is the bowl. You're going to open the lower part of your carburetor. Down here we have two jets. One is the main jet and one is the pilot jet. Change the main jet slightly smaller, okay? Now, this main jet, when they come from the company, they're already very small. Now you can go slightly smaller and have a slightly smaller main jet so you can save slightly more gas. Now make sure that you're not going to put it too small, because at that point your scooter will run too lean. So running too lean is not too good, because it's going to heat up too much, it's going to get too much heat. And the best thing that you can do for this GY6 Chinese scooter is to keep the temperature low. Now what you can do is right here, change the main jet according to your latitude and altitude. So the higher you go in altitude, the smaller main jet you need, because you have less air density. Okay, so at that point you don't really need a really large jet. So what you can do, just go online and you buy a box of main jets and pilot jets. You don't really need to change the pilot jet, okay? You need to change only the main jet. So at that point, changing the main jet will help you to save a little more fuel. Another trick to save a little fuel on your scooter is to keep your tire pressure accordingly. Really look at the manual that you have on your scooter and will tell you the tire pressure that you should have in your scooter. Now your tire pressure is running right here. Let's see, let me show you. Right here is the tire that doesn't have too much pressure, so it is running really on a wider patch of the tire. Now if you have the right pressure on your tire will run a little more on a smaller patch. So at that point, if you have less friction on the street, your scooter will use a lot of less fuel to go ahead. Okay. Now, for the GY650cc Chinese scooter, I suggest to have a tire pressure in the back of 36 psi, and on the front you could have a 30 psi. Even if this Chinese scooter tells you about 36 in the back, 36 in the front. Now I like to have a slightly little higher pressure in the back, around 36, and in the front you should have around 30 psi. So that will be great. Now these ones, they're really cheap to buy. You can buy online for around $5. I can put the link down here in the video, so you can buy and check your tire pressure every 2 weeks. You should check your tire pressure every 2 weeks. That is very important, okay? Because this one can also be a safety thing, because really when you need to brake and brake with your scooter and you need to stop, you want to make sure you have the right tire pressure. Because if you don't have the right tire pressure, it's not just only about saving fuel. Your scooter is going to go a sideways or right sideways when you try to pull your brake. So keeping your tire pressure perfect at the right pressure is very important for you. This one is another little trick really to save fuel on your scooter, okay? Another trick that you can do to eliminate a little more drag on your scooter and save some fuel is to eliminate right here your trunk, okay? Eliminate the extra weight, things that you have inside that you really don't need inside the bucket of your scooter. So the lighter you are, the more fuel you will save. This one is another little trick that you can use to really save some fuel. Also, you can remove the rack in the back and make your scooter a lot more sporty, okay? This rack right here. Now, every little things will help you to save some fuel. Now, there is another trick that you can use that is very important. Try to keep your scooter, when you're riding on the street, below 6,000 RPM. It's very important to keep the scooter below 6,000 RPM. At that point, you will not really use a lot of fuel. So instead to make 70 miles to a gallon, you will make 75 or 80 miles to a gallon. So it's very important to do not overspeed, do not go over the speed. Try to keep your scooter on the speed limit or where you live. So it's very important to keep the speed under the speed limit. So at that point you will save a little more fuel. So a lot of little things that you have to be careful when you're riding your scooter. Especially if you see, when you're driving your scooter and you see that, 100 feet away, the red light is turning on, try to slow down. You don't really need to push your scooter to the limit to get to the traffic light. Okay, so just ease on the throttle. That will help you to save a lot of more fuel on your scooter, and you will be safe too. At this point, I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video. Keep up with the maintenance of your scooter. Is always really important. And feel free to visit my YouTube channel, click that like button, subscribe to my channel anytime, and feel free to visit also my TikTok, and there you can find lots of help for your scooter. I'd like to thank you very much. Have a great day, and thank you.